Welcome to the January 2024 issue of MSW magazine. On the cover, meet the game changers at the forefront of St. Louis Metropolitan Sewer District's $7.2 billion Project Clear. Bruce Litzinger, Assistant Director of Engineering, details the monumental efforts tackling overflows, aging infrastructure, and the transformative impact on water quality. The timeline to revolutionize one of the largest sewer systems in the U.S. includes an expected completion in 2039. Join MSW editor and swamp aficionado Luke Lagis as he delves into the heart of these misunderstood ecosystems. Discover why preserving swamps is more than a duty. It's an investment in resilient, eco-friendly stormwater management. In a tale of water resilience and foresight, delve into the Peace River, Minnesota Regional Water Supply Authority's journey. From strategic planning to colossal reservoirs, meet Mike Coates and the team powering a million-strong community's water needs for decades ahead. Meet the utility locating experts tackling the challenges of complex underground environments. Learn from their experiences, discover best practices, and explore cutting-edge equipment designed to revolutionize utility locating in congested urban areas. Dive into the transformation at Hampton Roads Sanitation District. Discover how a culture shift under Ted Hennifan's leadership revolutionized risk tolerance, fostered collaboration, and led to groundbreaking wastewater solutions, saving millions. Read on for a story of cultural evolution and financial success. In the world of workplace safety, asking questions isn't a sign of weakness, it's a strength. Dive into the article where seasoned workers share the importance of breaking the silence, promoting a culture of safety, and ensuring everyone goes home unharmed. From cutting-edge pipe bursting and CIPP solutions to advanced grouting, relining, and UV CIPP technologies, find the best companies to elevate your projects. Tired of the constant battle with grease issues in lift stations? Farmers Branch, Texas found a groundbreaking solution. Discover how Casco's Hydroforce lift station agitator revolutionized wastewater management, saving money, reducing environmental impact, and transforming operations in a Texas city. Explore pipe repair innovations in this month's product focus. Discover CIPP advancements, epoxy coatings, grouting solutions, and delve into trenchless tech. Meet Tim Rule, the brains behind Ecologic's groundbreaking ePulse optimized condition assessment service. With a wealth of experience in asset management and capital planning, Tim unveils a powerful tool that allows water utilities to assess, prioritize, and stretch their investment dollars. Join us on two transformative journeys. Dive into the Michaels pipeline case. Discover how expertise met innovation to revive corroded pipes. Then, explore engineered spray solutions game changer using SprayRock's spray wall, saving costs and minimizing disruptions in a seamless manhole rehabilitation. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.